What is whey protein and is it safe? Whey protein is a supplement isolated from dairy products that is separated during cheese production. If you've ever opened a container of yogurt to see a little bit of liquid floating on top, that's actually the whey. This whey is rich in all 9 essential amino acids, making it easily utilized by the body to make muscle tissue, hormones, enzymes, neurotransmitters, and more. Commercially, whey protein is sold as a supplement for making protein shakes or protein-rich snack foods. And it's not only safe, but it can be a convenient and effective way to meet your protein goals for weight loss, muscle building, satiety, or general health. It's been consistently shown to be safe in moderation, with no concern for adults with healthy kidneys. That said, some folks find that whey protein specifically can cause digestive distress like bloating, distension, gas, and diarrhea. So a high-quality plant-based protein powder is an ideal alternative. Whether you go whey or plant-based, it's always important to choose a supplement that is being third-party tested to ensure quality, safety, and reduce the risk of heavy metal contamination.